Welcome to qnawire.
When corresponding side, not corresponding, but consecutive, sides that are next to each other are congruent, like these two and these two are next to each other. This makes a kite. Okay, so it's not a rhombus or a parallelogram. It is a kite, and what would be true is that y minus 2 would be equal to x plus 4, and that 3x plus 4 would be equal to x plus 6. So let's use the second equation to help find x. We can subtract x to both sides, subtract 4 to both sides, and divide both sides by 2, and x is 1, making this 7, making this 7, making this 5. And now y minus 2 is equal to 5 if x is 1, which means add 2 to both sides, and y is 7. So x is 1 and y is 7.